Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Spotify account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, just go ahead over to your favorite browser. It can be Safari, Google Chrome, or even Brave if you have Brave. Also, the process is similar whether you're using a computer or mobile device. Okay, so once you're in here in your browser, just type in open.spotify.com and just hit on enter. Okay, now once you're in here, go to the top right and click on sign up. Alright, click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you can just go ahead and easily type in your email address. If not, you can go ahead and sign up using your Google or Apple ID. Okay, for example, Google right here. Just simply select an account, and once done, it will just simply ask you for your birthday, and once done, hit on sign up. And in here, as you can see, you'll be redirected to the Spotify dashboard. Now, if you want Spotify Premium so that you won't get any ads or any other problems with Spotify, you can go ahead and go to the comment section below or at the description and just click on this link. All right, click on the link and you'll be landed to the Gamsgo website. Now in here, just go ahead over to Spotify and click on purchase now. And here you can go ahead and select the subscription duration, for example, 12 months or 6 months. All right, and one slot which is personal. Okay. Now, if you want to save more, just go ahead over to the section, click on it, and enter the promo code GUMMY or GUMY. Hit on apply, $19.99, and as you can see here, it's now $19.59. All right. Once that's done, just hit on go to payment. That will just ask you to select the payment method. Right here, it could be credit or debit card, or if you have a Binance account, you can go ahead and use this one. Okay. Hit on pay now and just enter your payment details. And after that, you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.